celebrated bird.
But that is not a book. It is a work of art, contained in a silver casket.
An artificial nightingale, made to look like the real one, and covered all over with diamonds
And rubies.
and sapphires.
As soon as the artificial bird is turned on, it can sing like a real one. Oh, it has a tail that goes up and down. And it glitters with silver and gold. And on it is written, "Made in Japan."
Sony.com.
The Emperor of Japan's Nightingale is poor compared to the one of the Emperor of China. The bringer of the artificial nightingale is hereby given the title of
Imperial Nightingale Bringer in Chief.
Imperial Nightingale Bringer in Chief.